In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can make it to where Excel won't have the table name whenever you're referencing a cell in the table in Excel. So by default, when you're in Excel and you're making a formula that references to something in a table, it will say table name and then at the column that you're in. And this can be useful, but if you're making a lengthy formula, it can make it difficult to see what exactly you're doing. Especially as you can see, this reference to G7 looks very similar to the reference 2G8 or whatever and have you. It can be just more difficult to trace back what you're trying to do. So to turn this off, you can go to File, Options, and then after here you can go to Formulas. And then once you're in Formulas, you can, there's this checkbox right here that says Use Table Names and Formulas. You can disable that. Okay, and then now whenever I reference something in a table, it doesn't have the table name, which can be very useful because now what I'm trying to do is just much easier to read, whereas the table name or the table's names makes it honestly more difficult to see exactly what you're trying to do sometimes. But if you want to turn it back on, I can go to File, Options, Formulas, Use Table Names References, click that box, okay, and I'm going to have to redo the formulas. But now references to the table should look like the table after I restart the Excel. So that's it. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.